What's up YouTube? It's your boy Second Born, Berkeley graduated, signed and validated. Today we're going guerrilla style because we're headed out someplace really fun. I wanted to shoot something a little different for you today. Got the keys and we're gonna take a little drive. Oop, almost forgot. Bye, hon. Love you.
Love you.
All right, now we're ready. Did you guys see what I saw? We're here. Now we gotta find parking. To the live room, Apogee Studios. Does anybody recognize what that is? Downside to living in Los Angeles. If you are thinking about moving to Los Angeles, this is your life. An amazing space at Apogee. Exciting stuff. Thank you, Apogee, for having me. I want to thank you guys for taking the ride with me. Lots of fun and exciting things in store. It's your boy Second Born, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Been driving for an hour, and I have another hour and a half to go. That's how long it takes to get anywhere in Los Angeles.